People don't know who your content is for, they are not going to stop. One thing you need to understand is you can't let everything rest on your hook. You need to make sure that you've got an attracting hook that's going to attract your perfect customer. But you also need to understand that when you start doing your storytelling, because storytelling is what actually connects with your perfect audience. But the lesson, the transformation, the possibility is actually what's going to build trust if you are going to show up consistently. But you're not never going to attract your perfect audience if you do not know who your perfect audience is. You got a vague idea who you want to talk to. Being someone to stand out on social media by creating content, you need to know who you are speaking to so that you can get across clearly to your perfect audience so that they actually do want to stop. So do yourself a favor, go to my channel, subscribe, and go and watch this video because it's going to help you with your perfect audience.